Welcome back. Okay, now in this video, we're going to be I'm going to be showing you how to chart the daily key levels. Now we have the trend lines on the chart already because that was from the last video. Now I want to chart the daily key levels because also when you're trading my particular strategy, daily key levels sometimes become the level for that day, and it gives you an idea where the price may have some activity, or it becomes an area of confluence. You have to have levels set on your charts to give you an idea where you're going to be taking your entries, because you don't want to be just guessing, because now you're playing a gambling game. And remember, this game is a game of probabilities, and you want the probability to be high in your favor. All right, so now we remain on the daily chart. We're gonna remain on QQQ, and the way you chart daily levels. I want to shrink this a little bit because it's a lot easier when it's shrunken. All right, cool. The way you chart, the way it was taught to me, the way you chart daily levels is you look for a change in direction of price. A change in direction of price sentiment, I should say that. Let me give you an idea of what I'm talking about. Let's start from back here. All right, I'm gonna start with this one. Price is kind of going up. You can see it here, and it stops right up here and begins going down. Up here is going to be a daily key level for me. Let me get the line to set it and put a line right here. So now that becomes a daily key level. And you can see it actually is a key level, a good one, because it comes up here after it breaks through right around here, comes back down and stops again. Now, are there any more levels? I try not to put too many lines, because then it becomes confusing. I look for a major change in price direction. This one was kind of major. We was going up for a while, then we stopped, we'll be going back down. This one right here will become another key level, because we came all the way back down and stopped coming back down. So we have this one right here. Remember, price going up, key level, price going down, key level. That's going up. We're kind of going up. This one could be one as well, but it's not as strong. Still going up to me, still going up, still going up. Up here, I could use this one as a key level. Daily key level, right up here. That's one. Now we're coming back down. We can set one here. Okay, cool. Going up, we're going up, we're going up, we're going up. Boom, meet some resistance. Another key level. Let's set it here. Okay, coming back down. We're still coming back down to me. We already had this one kind of set. You see that's kind of close to that level. Coming back down. You see it's coming right back up. Doesn't go up there. Come back down. Nothing, nothing. Blocks. Same kind of level. Come back down. This one here could be a key level right here. Let's set that one. Could be another key level. Because sometimes there could be a key level that was a good key level months ago, but it's no longer a key level because it's old, and the price action and buyers and sellers have bought that price up or sold that price out. So now we have another key level closer to the current day's price. Now we're going back up. This could be a key level which is already set from before. You can see that right there and right here. You see that? That's why daily key levels matter. Coming all the way back down, this becomes a key level, and it's right on the area of confluence with the trend line we set from earlier. Let's set a key level here. So now we know that's also key level. Coming back down, coming up, coming back down. This could be a key level here, but it's not that strong, so I'll leave that one. Coming up, coming up, coming up. All right, no more key levels for right now until I see a price action. But that's how you set your key levels. You're looking for price action or price sentiment to change after going in one direction for a while. Daily, this is daily. So for a few days, it may be going up, then it changes. The next few days is going down. On that change, that becomes the key level. So now, as you can see, our chart is beginning to get kind of marked up, which is good. We don't mark it up too much, but just enough that when we get into our our intraday charting, we have some levels and trend lines on the chart to kind of give us our areas of confluence for our trades. All right, I hope this video helps. Any questions, you can send me an email or mention something in the comments. All right.